to Softhealer technology. Today we will explore sync mail functionality of Office 365 connection module. Let's click on Office 365 connection configuration. Here in the mail sections you can see several checkboxes for mail sync functionality. Import checkbox, auto schedule mail checkbox, manage log history. Now for import mail from Office 365 to Odoo, simple. Click import boolean, then select mail sync mode. If you want to manage log history, so choose this manage log history boolean. Now here is to filter domain. Here sender email filter and subject keyword filter. Now if you want to sync mail using a filter, so simply enter your email address here that you want to sync mail. Now if you want to sync email based on a subject keyword, so simply that email keyword enter here and then click on sync mail buttons. Now click on sync mails. Here you will see success message appear. Mail import completed. Now go to the import mails menu. Here you can see successfully imported mails. Thank you. Now if you want to sync mail based on a folder, so first loaded folder. For this, click refresh folders button. Here you can see success message appear. Refresh. You can see folder sync from Office 365. Now for sync mail based on folder, check this boolean after the folder. Here select and again click on sync mails button. Success message appear. Now go to the import mails menu. Here you can see folder wise mail sync. Thank you.